Now, as concerns continue to mount about management issues at Petrojam, public commentators are pointing to several possible ways forward. But they say it would be a mistake to focus solely on the national refinery. The issue was discussed on TVJ's current affairs program All Angles on Wednesday. More from Giovanni Dennis.
Dr. Andrew Wheatley has been stripped of the energy portfolio. The Auditor General is currently investigating Petrojam, and the Prime Minister has also announced that there will be a probe by the Public Accountability Inspectorate. But speaking on TVJ's All Angles last night, commentators said the issues are much broader. Attorney Clyde Williams says taking away the energy portfolio from Andrew Wheatley does not solve the underlying problem of the need to hold ministers to account. He says the Prime Minister needs to act decisively.
The Prime Minister has a grand opportunity to make things happen. What is the opportunity? He could get up tomorrow and say, consequent upon this, we're going to fast-track a ministerial code to deal with questions of ministers' abuse and negligence.
He also says the opposition needs to change its tactics.
So I would press to see if I could catch Wheatley on some sort of negligence, error in judgment, misstep here and there, and move to see if I could get a no-confidence motion.
For Gleaner columnist Martin Henry, the Petrojam saga highlights the need to fast-track the improvement of management of public sector entities.
Why wouldn't Prime Minister, who campaigned on cleaning up the public service and making it more efficient over a broad front, now use this as a launch pad for serious reform?
However, Paul Ashley says he has little hope in such proposals. For him, there's only one way.
I like name and shame.
Yes.
I really like name and shame. I want to know who is responsible, who get the money, who get the donations, who approve, who get illegal travel, who travel where they're not supposed to travel, who get reimbursement. I want name them and shame them.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.
In the meantime, public commentators are warning Prime Minister Andrew Holness that failing to deal decisively with the problems at Petrojam could affect his political future. Paul Ashley says there's a very recent example.
If he doesn't deal with the Petrojam thing seriously, it is akin to Dudus and Golding. Yes. It can cost him the election.
And Clyde Williams says the Prime Minister needs to understand that he does not have all the time in the world to deal with this.
He's going to starting to think he has a lot of tricks up his sleeve and lots of cards, and PMP will tell him there's a time when the deck runs out. There ain't no more cards to play.